Evening children, beta today we are going to take your revision class, okay, and see that how you will do your revision. Firstly, I am trying to cover the maximum portion, okay. See that give the smallest 6-digit number, here number will be there, number ending in 7. So you know that what is the 6-digit smallest number? Write that smallest 6-digit number is equal to 1 and 5 zeros will be in front of that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. But we would like to give the smallest 6-digit number ending in 7. So what you will do in this? So smallest 6-digit number ending in 7 will be, ending in 7 is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 7. So it can be asked in the form that what can be the smallest 6-digit number or 7-digit number ending in 7 or 5 or 8, like that. It can be anything. Give the largest 6-digit number ending in 8. So what you will do? First you will write that solution I am doing. Write largest 6-digit number, 6-digit number, okay. It will be 99999, okay. Now what you will write? Ending in 8. So what you will do? You just make the last 9 with the 8 and it will be the largest 6-digit number ending in 8. So hence largest 6-digit number ending in 8 will be 99999, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digit it should be. So this 9 will be converted into 8. This will be your answer. Okay. Find the sum by suitable rearrangement. What will be the rearrangement, beta? We will try to make the unit place 0. Okay. So which two numbers you will take together? You can see that these 2 9, 1 9 plus 1 will come 10. So unit plus will become 0. So you take these ones. 721 plus 279 in bracket and plus 212. Now see that what will come? 9 plus 1 10, carry 1, 7 plus 8, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 2 10, carry 1, 2 plus 3 and 7 plus 3 10 and plus 2 1 2. So what it will be your answer? 1 1 2 1 2. Okay. So this will be your answer. So beta, rearrangement problems always you have to solve by the rearrangement. If you will directly add them, so you are not going to get the marks in these question. अगर आप इनको simply ऐसे ही add कर दोगे तो इसमें आपको marks नहीं मिलेंगे. Rearrangement का मतलब होता है कि we have to arrange in such a manner so that unit place we will get 0. So you can see that directly here 9 plus 1 become 10, and in this way if we will adding these two digit, so how simply we can add the numbers. Okay. Now in this way many problems are given in your chapter number 2. Today we are maximum revising chapter number 2. Okay. These kinds of problems are given in your chapter number 2. 2.2 I have taken. Some question I have taken from 2.1. No, it is successor and predecessor I am not discussing with you. You can do those kind of problems yourself. Verify the commutative property. I am just taking only those questions which I am feeling that these will be difficult for the children. Okay. Verify the commutative property. How you will do this question? You know that 23 and 56 is given to us. So how you will do? What is the commutative? First write that 23 and 56. What is commutative property? A plus B is equal to B plus C. So see that A is 23 plus 56 is equal to 56 plus 23. Add them now. 6 plus 3 9, 5 plus 2 7. Here also it's 6 plus 3 9, 5 plus 2 7. So it is verified. So it is very simple. You can do this property. The rest of the questions also you just do for your practice. Okay. Now come to the find the following products using distributive property. You know beta what is distributive property? A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. So here how you will write that this 104 can be broken. It will be written as 560 into 100 plus 4. You know na how we are writing these kind of problem. So what you will write? This will become your A, this is as B and this will be as C. Okay, now see that A means 560 into B means 100 plus A again 560 into 4. Okay, now if you will multiply this, it will become 560 and these 2 0 will come along with it plus 4 0 0 4 6 ja 24 carry 2 5 4 ja 20 or plus 2 22. Now add this one. Okay. So after adding you will get that 58240 and this will be your answer. So many questions are in your book regarding these problems. Okay. So you just follow them in chapter number 2. The product of two numbers is this. If one of the number is 46, find the other. How we are? You know that if we have given two numbers. If we will multiply them, we will get their product. See that product of two numbers is equal to product of two numbers is equal to first number into second number. Okay. Now product of two numbers is given to us. This is 34868 is equal to one number means first number is given to you, that is 46 multiplied by second number. You have to find that second number. Okay, I know I have written it means number. So what you will do? 34868 divided by, in this way it will come, not divided by, it will come here 46 is equal to second number. Now what you will do? Do the division, perform division now. Okay, so I am performing in another paper so that, or you will because I am not having enough space to perform it here, so I am trying to perform it here. 34868 divided by beta 46. Okay, see that now 8 ja 8 6 ja 48 carry 4 8 4 ja 32. No, it is becoming greater. So 7 times it will go. 7 6 ja 42. Carry 4. 7 4 ja 28. Na? 28 or plus 4 32. Now 8 minus 2 6. 4 minus 2 2 26. Again 4 5 ja 20. 4 6 ja 24. See that 46 into 6. 4 6 4 ja 24 plus 3 20, no, it is becoming greater. So 5 times it will go. 5 6 ja 30. Carry 3. 5 4 ja 20 or 3 23. 6 minus 3 3. Now last number will come down 8. Okay. 46 into 8. See that 6 8 ja 48. Carry 4. 8 4 ja 32. Plus 4 36. 8 times it is going now. 8 3 6 8. So how? So you will perform division there. Okay. So it will be, see that now how you will write 758. In rough column division should be there is equal to second number. So this will be your answer. So in this way question can be changed, children. So you have to perform or do these kind of problems. Okay. Now come to the question. This one, use the pattern and solve the following. Okay. by using pattern only we have to solve these kind of problems. So how we will do 1255 plus 999. So how we will do this one? 1255 plus this we will write that 1000 minus 1. So how we will do this one? Now see that. Okay, it will be 1255 plus 1000 minus 1. So if I will add this one, it will become 1552 or 1 or 1 2 or minus 1. So it will be 2254 will be your answer. So see that how simply it was. If I will add this one, it will take too much time, but if I will do by using the pattern, it will become very simple to do them. Okay, now see that beta, maximum pattern of the questions we have discussed from chapter number 2. In many questions there is division, so you also do those kind of questions also I am showing you. See that this is like this question, divide, check and verify the division algorithm. So these kind of problems you are doing from very earlier classes, so you can perform the division like that. If the total cost of 91 items is this, so what will be the cost of one item? So 91 items cost will be more. So if you would like to find the cost of one item, what you will do? You will divide this number by 91. So you can do these kind of questions yourself. Like that, the cost of price of 35 cameras is this one. If what is the cost of one camera? For this you will divide this number by 35. So try to do these kind of questions also. Already this pattern question I have discussed with you. Like this question just now we have done. If again we would like to do this question, 1367 minus 999. So how we will write? 1367 minus, in bracket we will write 1000 minus 1. Okay, and then we will simplify the question as just now we have done. So in this way beta, now I am proceeding to the chapter number 3rd, and from chapter number 3rd, first of all I am taking the question like that. I taught you at that time while we were taking this chapter that first of all we will open the small bracket, then curly brackets and then the bigger bracket. See that now 30 minus, first take 14 plus, this is small bracket, 12 minus 10 will become 2, and here 16 minus, this will be in curly bracket now. Okay, now see that 30 minus, open this one bracket now, 16 minus 2 will become 14. Okay, and 14 plus 14 in this way. So 30 minus, add them now, 28, and it will be 30 minus 28 is equal to 2 will be your answer. So in this way you will perform these kind of problems. One more question I am discussing, it is exercise 3.2. See that now 2 upon 3 of means by some multiply. First open the small, here only this bracket is there. So see that board mass, na? Board mass means, and rule of the board mass is that Dams rule also we are saying that division, multiply, addition and subtraction. So first add them, 4 plus 10, 14 or minus 2. Okay, in this way curly bracket or 6 plus and multiply by 4. Okay, then it will be 2 upon 3. Now see that beta, inside the bracket what we are having now, 14 minus 2, 12 into 4, here 6 plus. Then according to Dams rule what will be now, divide we don't have, so we have opened the bracket, then multiply now. Multiply means 12 4 ja 48 or 6 plus 48. Now open the bracket, 2 upon 3 into 8 plus 54 it will become. Okay, so 3 1 ja 3, 2, 3 8 ja 24. Okay, so 18 into 2, 36 will be your answer. So in this way you will complete these kind of problems also. It is in exercise 3.2. okay. Then afterwards small definitions are given to you. What are composite numbers, what are prime numbers, odd number, even numbers. These kinds of definitions also given to you in your notes, so you will prepare them also. Now factors and prime numbers, divisibility rule, revise them also. okay. And then next thing is coming, that represent the numbers as a prime numbers, the factors of primes. Now see that beta, find the SCF of 72, 64 and 48 by prime factorization method. First of all, write that prime numbers. Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and so on. Now divide this 72 is an even number. So first start division by 2. Till that the division of 2 will not be completed, you will continue with that. 36 again by 2, 18 again by 2, 9. Then further division of 9 is not possible by 2, so take 3. Next number is 3. So start with 3. 3 3 ja 9 and 3 1 ja 3. So same way, now 64. Start with that 2 again. 32. Then 2, 16. Then 2, 8. Then 2, 4. Then 2, 2 ja 1 and 2, 1 ja 2. In this way. Okay. Then again by 48. 48. Start with that 2, 24 ja, 2, 12 ja, 2, 6 ja, 2, 3 ja and 3, 1 ja. Till that it will not be come equal to 1, we will continue the process of division. Now we have to find the SCF. So how we will write? 72 is equal to beta 2 into 2 into 2 into, write it away, 3 into 3 into 3. In this way I am writing. Okay. Now write 64 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now write 48. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. Or into 3 means here it will come. Now take the common. Circle the which numbers are coming in all the, those are the factors of every number. How many times it is coming? Like that. Now here 2, these 2 coming here but not here. So you have to take now SCF is equal to, here 3 is there but in not in this number. So it will be 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8. So what their SCF will be 8. So like this one you will continue the process of SCF also. Okay. This one is the prime factorization method. One more method I am going to discuss with you, that is the long division method. Okay. See that next question. Now we have to do the we can discuss here beta only the pattern of the question, how we have done. Further for the understanding you can see the previous videos also if you are unable to understand. Now 252 and 576 is there. So we will start to divide by smaller number in greater number. So do 252 will divide 576. So 252 2 ja 2 times it will go, 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10, carry 1, 2 2 ja 4 or 1, 504. 6 minus 4 beta 2 and 7, 72. Now by this 72 you will divide this 252. In this way we will continue. Or see that up to where it will go? 3 times. 3 2 ja 6, 3 7 ja 21. Okay. So 12 minus 6, 6. Here 4 minus 1, 3. Now with 36 you will divide in 72. No? 36 2 ja 72. This has completed. So the last divisor of the number will be your SCF. So what will be your SCF of the given number? SCF of 252 and 576 is how much? 36. So this will be your answer. Okay. So in this way, not only this question, you can do these kind of problems. Okay. So try to understand up to here, and in next class then we will learn from SCF onwards. Till that, have a good day to all of you.